In what is being seen as another setback to progressive steps incorporated in the society, the US Supreme Court has now struck down affirmative action after its ruling on abortion earlier. What does affirmative action mean? This means that universities and colleges in the US that were striving for diversity and placing value on race and color for admission intake after this ruling by the Supreme Court will no longer be doing so. This was meant to counter historical prejudices against certain identities. The US Supreme Court decision on Thursday has struck down affirmative action and made it unlawful now for colleges to take race into consideration as a specific factor in admissions. Chief Justice John Roberts, in the majority opinion, said that students must be treated based on their experiences as individuals, not on the basis of race. But dissenting Democratic-appointed justices objected, insisting that the ruling would make it practically impossible for institutions to take race into account for admissions. Now, here are two sets of polar opposite reactions that came into the ruling, both from former presidents, President Trump and President Obama. Here's what Trump, a Republican, said, welcoming the move rather. It's saying that it's a great day for America. People with extraordinary abilities should be allowed to take on what they want to do in life. But here's Obama putting things into perspective as well. He says that affirmative action gave them a chance to show that they are more than deserving to a seat at the table. This is with regards to people of color. Let's listen in now to what the present president, President Biden, had to say, and the response from Harvard that was at the heart of this case.
I strongly disagree with the court's decision. Many people wrongly believe that affirmative action allows unqualified students to be admitted ahead of qualified students. This is not how college admissions work. We cannot let this decision be the last word, because the truth is, we all know it, discrimination still exists in America.
For nearly 9 years, Harvard vigorously defended our admissions process and our belief that we all benefit from learning, living, and working alongside people of different backgrounds and experiences. We will comply with the court's decision, but it does not change our values. We continue to believe deeply that a thriving, diverse intellectual community is essential to academic excellence and critical to shaping the next generation of leaders.